Good day, students. You are welcome to today's lectures with Auntie Stella. Our subject today is commerce. The class is SS2, and this is our sixth week. Sixth week already. Hope you've gone through what we did on the first, second, third, fifth week, and we are in sixth week. Please remove anything that will be a distraction to you, your phone, anything, and just listen to me, because the topic we have today, we are still in insurance. The insurance still continues, but today what we are going to be talking about is types of risks. At the end of this lecture, the students should be able to list the type of risks we have. I explain at least two of them and differentiate between the types of risks. So what we did last week was an insurance. So people insure their life and their properties. Hope you remember. Then today we are talking about risks. What is risk? Risk can be said to be certain or repeatable act that occurs. Risk is inevitable. A risk is something that you cannot hide from if you want to go into business. And we have types of risks. We have the first one, the pure risk. From the first one, it can't be avoided. Is beyond human control. An example of it is death. You can't avoid it. Surely somebody must die one day. So that type of risk is something that is inevitable. Then speculative risk. The person is aware of the risks involved. Like an example, if you want to go into a business, you are aware that it's either you make profit or you make loss. So if you are going into that business, that means you are taking a risk. So this is a type of speculative risk. Then particular risk. From the word particular, we know that we are talking about one. That means this type of risk has to do with one person, just to you. The risk that involves you. The risk that it is only you that can handle and only you that can go into it. Then the last but not the least is a fundamental risk. In this fundamental risk, it involves group of people. Example of this fundamental risk is like in a community when there is an earthquake. That type of risk, it involves everybody. If there is an earthquake in a community, it involves everybody. If there is a problem in a community, it involves everybody. So this is the fundamental risk. Risk can never be certain of its occurrence, but it cannot be avoided in some times. We have four types of risks. We have the pure, speculative, particular, fundamental. You should know the differences between this type of risks. Pure is something that can never be avoided, but speculative, you can avoid it. Particular has to do with one person, but fundamental has to do with a group of people. So this is the assignment. What is the difference between particular risk and fundamental risk? What is the difference between pure risk and speculative risks? So I want you to give me the difference between them. Make sure you download your notes on this and read it, because it will help you for you to do your assignment. Submit your assignment once you are back. Stay safe. Thank you.